Igbo for business. Here are the verbs that you can use to do transaction when you're communicating. So these verbs are very essential for you. First of all, ego means money. Then ego, to buy. Ịzụta, to buy. Gotere, bought. Zụtara, bought. Na-ego, buying. N'azụ, buying. Ga-ego, will buy. Ga-azụta, will buy. Ego ole, how much. Ego ole, how much. I nwere ego, do you have money. I nwere ego, do you have money. Nke a bụ ego ole, how much is this. Nke a bụ ego ole, how much is this. M chọrọ igo akwa ọhụrụ. I want to buy a new clothes. M chọrọ igo akwa ọhụrụ. I want to buy a new clothes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch out for part 2 of this Igbo for business. Thank you.